Hello, welcome back to my channel, friends. Today we have service Yamaha PSR S770 or 770. Okay, now we will try to install the back installation. Okay, we have made this of PSR 770. Okay, we will install. Click install and click OK. In here there are some message. We will click OK. It cannot be installed. System error, data cannot be saved. This is trouble from my bot. Okay, we try again. Okay, normal. Okay, sound is normal, but we cannot install the PPI expansion. Okay, we will try again. This is back installation. Okay, we choose back PSR S770 back. Okay, click install, click OK. This message, we click OK again. The system error, data could not be saved. Okay, first this trouble is from USB flash disk, and the trouble is from motherboard. Okay, from this problem, it's caused from the motherboard. The sound is okay, normal. We will try again for install back installation. Okay, this, click install. Okay, the system error, data could not be saved. Okay, okay, and restart again. Okay, we will try to repair the board, and we will see in the next video. Okay, friend, the trouble is from this part. This IC is dead, and we will to replace it. Okay, we will to replace this IC, and then we will to try to unit again. Okay, friends, see you in the next video. Okay, friend, we have installed this motherboard in unit, and now we will try to test again. And okay, next video. Okay, for the first, we will to turn on the keyboard. Okay, it's turn on, and oh, sorry, it is trouble again. Okay, we will to repair again. Okay, after repair, we will to turn on the mainboard, and this logo is shown. We will wait until the loading is finished. Okay, we try. Okay, its sound is coming, and we will try to install some sampling again. Sorry. Okay, device connected, and we try to install the pack PSRS 770 again. This file is same with the before we have installed. Okay, now formatting, and we will wait the loading until the finish and the motherboard restart. We will wait. Okay, when the message installation has been complete, the instrument will be restarted. And now we will talk this case. Okay, restart, and now we wait for loading again. Okay, we will check here. This is the sampling is installed. Okay, good job, friend. Thank you for service in my workshop, and for service you can contact me via WhatsApp. My number is shown in the display. Thank you. Bye bye.